Today we're doing a spicy smoked bourbon chicken. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start cutting some scores into the chicken because I want all that marinade and all that seasoning to go right down to the bone. Now I'm going to start seasoning up with my favorite dry rub. You can use any kind of barbecue dry rub. It's really up to you. And we want to make sure we add a liberal amount and get both sides of the chicken completely coated. The next we're using is some Trinidad green seasoning, and you can use about 2 teaspoons, and then I'm adding some of this Amazon bourbon barbecue sauce to add a little bit extra flavor. Now we're going to make sure we get all that seasoning, all that marinade, all that bourbon barbecue sauce coated into every single piece of the chicken and underneath the skin. Now next is to pop them on the grill. I have my smoker set to 275 degrees. Now we're going to let this smoke for about an hour, and then we're going to flip it halfway through. Now we're at the 1 hour mark. We're going to go ahead and flip these over to the other side, and then we're going to let this continue to smoke until we reach about internal temperature about 160 degrees. Now this is the Amazon bourbon barbecue pepper sauce that we're using. This is what's going to give it its absolutely amazing bourbon flavor. We're going to go ahead and coat both sides of the chicken, and then we're going to crank up the grill to 350 degrees and remove the chicken once we reach an internal temperature about 170 degrees. Look at that char. Absolutely perfect. We're going to top it off with a little bit more and give it a try. This was a 10 out of 10. Go get you some.